Hey guys, it's Sunday Fun Day. We're getting ready to head down to the lake, so we're gonna pack up a few things. Nate's gonna explain what we're doing today. You'll see that coming up. But right now, we got a few little things we're gonna load up the trailer and the quad with, make our way down the lake. Stick around, it's gonna be a fun day.
Hey guys, welcome to the Griddle Guys channel. Thanks for checking us out. So I just got back from the supermarket. As you can see, there's my pile of groceries I have to unload. What are we cooking today? Today we're cooking roast beef sandwiches. This is a New England thing. It's not your typical roast beef sandwich like if you walk into a normal pizza place, you know, such and such house of pizza and order a roast beef sandwich. These are massive, massive sandwiches. You pretty much only put either sauce, cheese, onion, or horseradish on it, and mayo. Nobody puts lettuce, nobody puts like tomatoes. It's not like a sub. I'll put up a couple of pictures of, you know, what would be a normal roast beef sandwich versus what these places up here specialize in, which is the roast beef sandwich. Now, the thing is, the way they make it is they have special equipment that controls the temperature, the humidity. They take a bottom round and they cook it for like 12 hours, right? I don't have that equipment, so what I am gonna do is sous vide, and rather than buying round, I buy sirloin, which is what I have here, which is a more tender cut. This is $4.99 a pound. It's on sale. It's USDA choice. This is typically about $6 a pound. So it's good roast. I think if you ask the butcher for a sirloin roast, this is pretty much what you're gonna get. More tender than the bottom round. We're gonna sous vide it for about 8, 9, 10 hours, and then we're gonna finish it up on the griddle with a couple of other things. So stick around. We're actually eating tomorrow, so I do have to start this at 5 a.m. We're shooting to eat at 2, so it should be fun. Hang out with us, and let's do it together.
Hey guys, so we made it down to the lake. It is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful skating day. If you look around, we got a whole bunch of people out on the lake today. We got all of our gear here. I just wanted to cover a couple of things about these sandwiches. So it's not just a roast beef sandwich, right? If you just, you go through New England, you're in Massachusetts, wherever, you stop to get a roast beef sandwich, it's 50-50, right? You might order your sandwich and it's gonna be basically the same roast beef that they sell you at the supermarket, right? They bought the same cut, it came from a distributor, and they put it on the slicer and they slice it into cold cuts. What we're making is not that. What these sandwiches are is, as I said, you know, in the previous clip, it's slow roasted, temperature controlled, 10-12 hours, pulled out warm, and then sliced warm and just piled super tall on a bun. So I just wanted to make that distinction.
Yeah.
A couple of places we like around here that make really good sandwiches: Blue House,
Harrison's.
roast beef, Harrison's roast beef,
Kelly's
roast
a big
beef.
one.
I think there was no, Atkinson House.
Oh, they're very good, yep.
Bud's roast beef in New Hampshire. I actually hung out with that guy this summer. If any of you find yourself at Hampton Beach in Hampton, New Hampshire, go to Bud's Roast Beef. The owner's name is Ben. Super nice guy. Makes a killer roast beef.
Right on the strip, right on the strip.
Yeah, it's right on the strip.
Guys, good thing about cooking on a lake, Nate, if you don't mind panning down, we're gonna do some tater tots on the side of what we're doing here.
No need to keep them in a cooler. Just drop them on the lake.
So we're just gonna get this going. A little bit of oil down.
That's gonna be our side dish.
That's our side to go with the sandwich. So, nice. We're gonna get those going, and you know what? They're gonna take a little while, so while we're gonna do that, we're gonna have a little bit of fun.
about?
You don't know how to drive.
How is that me?
How was it not you?
Look at those tater tots. Look at that shadow that I'm casting. Jesus, I gotta lose weight.
No, that was Nate walking by. That was Nate walking by.
We got a crowd growing around here, so it's time to pull the beef out of the sous vide. Once everybody smells a little bit of food, that's it. Right? Doesn't help when Nate's, you know. Anyways. Just trying to make you feel short, Jeff. Yeah, because that was ever a problem.
Yeah, you guys who don't know it, Jeff's only a 5'7", 5'6".
5'10", it's on my license.
Nate right now is at a whopping like 6'7".
Yeah, skates make me a little bit taller. Very impressive that this thing kept temperature. Yeah, the Innova really worked well. 33. Nice. All right, so a little tricky doing this on skates, but we're gonna dry this off.
On skates, that's funny. I love that.
It'll be really funny if he does a face plant into his beef. Chris, there should be a knife behind you on the table. Can you grab it? And this is gonna go right up on the griddle. Oh, you know what? I get the knife.
I don't see it, Nate. Right behind me, huh?
Right. I'm sorry, I meant behind you. Right in
under
front
your
of me.
nose. Right under your nose.
Can you drop some oil for me?
Yeah.
I am gonna season this with some salt. And I'm gonna go pretty heavy, guys, on the salt here because...
It's gonna burn off anyway, most of it.
Well, and it's also gonna be cut very, very thin.
Mm-hmm. You wanna take the strings off now, or you wanna wait till after?
You're gonna cut them off right when we get it on the griddle.
All right.
Can't wait to see you cut this thing. All right, there you go, Chris. All right, so we got the bottom browning using the Camp Chef griddle. And of course, we're gonna hit the rest, make sure it really browns up using the torch. I apologize, as usual, we're losing light. That looks good. All right, guys, the meat came out beautiful. I mean, look at that. Wow. Absolutely marvelous.
Yeah.
So now here's the trick. You need a big, sharp knife, like really sharp. We actually just ordered a meat slicer. It hasn't come in yet, but you don't need a meat slicer. No, but I got the trail. You're just gonna cut it as thin as you possibly can. Oh, that is so tender. I don't even have to push on the knife. It goes right through. Nice. So this is sunlight, which is a cool light, so it's gonna look a little bit more cooked than it actually is. But you can see that. Yeah. So what you do, I'm gonna have to use my fingertips here. Carve off a big, big pile, as quick as you can. Nice and thin. All right, that's aggravating. And then you take the pile it back up, and we're gonna cut it again across. And that makes smaller bites, which are just super, super tender.
You sure?
And see, I'm kind of gonna go the other way too.
Nice. Chocolate?
And then that's it. So, take that, move it in here. And that's it. We're gonna get through the rest of this, and then we're gonna show you how to assemble the sandwiches. We'll see you in a bit.
Oh, it smells good.
All right, Jeff drew the short straw. He's got to do all the bun toasting. And guys, it is critical that you toast the buns. It is critical.
It is. But, makes the sandwich better.
Yeah. This is what makes it fun right here. We got the Nemco Food Equipment Butterer. So,
Butterer?
Butterer. So typically, locally at least, we have the Super, which is a usually an onion roll, a little bit bigger, and then a standard hamburger bun for the juniors, what they call it. So with the butter roller, that does make it so much easier. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but man.
I'm not sure the camera's picking it up, but that is being basted with butter right now.
Light's playing tricks with us, so I'll move the camera around. Sun is real low in the sky. Beautiful. Critical step, guys, has to be on a toasted
You don't
bun.
need a butterer. I mean, you could do this too.
You need a butterer.
Well,
everybody needs a butterer.
It helps when you're feeding a crowd, which Nate, I'm sure we've panned around. We've got people everywhere.
Bunch of people out here.
But you don't, it's good to have. I love that thing.
If Five Guys has.
Yeah. Why not? They have like 20 of them, right?
Yeah. It is pricey. It's like $80.
Right.
But
it's great. Thank God we have it. It's very good that we have it. Makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, I've seen some different models though that are like $30 or $40.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Think
we
they
can
work
find
that
some
good?
links. Maybe we can find some links and throw them in.
Yeah.
For both.
Yeah, we'll keep at this. We'll get all the buns toasted and be ready to put it
Make
in
a sandwich.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a
And then we'll
sandwich.
do a comparison against the local roast beef shop. We bought a couple of their sandwiches.
Yes,
today.
we did.
Yeah.
We got a couple stills for that.
All right, guys. So here we are. Final assembly. Jeff, thanks for toasting the buns. Got our nice warm meat.
Oh yeah.
Just gonna grab a pile of that.
You going right for the super, huh?
Going right for the super. Like I said, these sandwiches, if you can eat the whole thing, you didn't make it big enough. All right? So this is the way I like them. There's really only, I guess you can get what you want on it, but up here in New England, people really only use these toppings. This shouldn't even be here. No one uses ketchup.
That's for the hot dogs in the crock pot.
Onion, horseradish, the strongest horseradish you can get. The stuff that burns your nose. Mayonnaise, sauce, cheese, and onion. That's it. So for me, I'm an everything guy. So I like a lot of mayo. I like a lot of horseradish. This stuff, this brand is killer right here.
Yeah, we should say what kind of brand it is. What is that called? I can't pronounce it, but we'll show you on the
Kelchner's.
Kelchner's.
And then we gotta go in with the sauce. Get that on there. This is also a sandwich that you don't want to eat if you're wearing good clothes.
No, definitely not.
And then a slice of cheese and a bunch of onion.
That is a beast.
This is a beast.
All right, so we got the store-bought.
So that's the store-bought we were talking about.
Not bad.
That's the Griddle guys right there.
I call
Wow.
I call
Done.
it done. I
Done.
definitely call it
Done.
Nice work, guys.
That looks good, Nate. Nice job. And on a lake.
Couple of shout outs. So there's a Martin out in Dallas, Texas. I know you have a sous vide. You got to try this. And I got one of my wife's colleagues, Nathan. You got a sous vide for Christmas. I know you did. So you got to try this. Try to get the James River barbecue sauce.
And,
That's what makes it authentic.
Steve Spooner from across the pond, the UK, London.
Shout out to you.
Shout out to you. You asked us to give a shout out, we're giving it to you.
That's what we do.
That's what we do.
So with that, if you're still here, do us a favor. Hit like, hit subscribe. Jeff, back the camera up. Back the camera. I'll skate backwards, goddammit.
Don't let Monday ruin your Sunday. Don't let it. This is Sunday's fun day. I've had a great time on here today, guys.
Fun stuff. And a beautiful day. Sun just set.
And great food. This is awesome. I can't wait to dig in.
All right, see you guys. That's Jeff. End of the night. That's Chris. We're still on the ice.
Good time.
Anyone know what time it is?
Maybe 5.
5:06.
Maybe 5.
Still got a small fire going over there.
Nice right there, Nate.
Yeah.
This is real good. Great part of being the Griddle guys. We find locations. This is good. I love this. Good day. Sunday fun day.